penultimate award is a little different. It's the People's Choice TV Show of the Year. Now, because the Academy is made up of industry professionals who work tirelessly on the shows nominated in this category, we don't trust them. So the only people we could turn to for this one was you, the viewing public. Here to tell us the will of the people, please welcome from Gala, Gary Desmond, with broadcaster, journalist and 2014 Rose of Tralee, Maria Walsh.
Good evening. This award will be presented to the show the viewing public have voted as the People's Choice TV Show of the Year. For the last few weeks, members of the public have been voting online, and we're about to announce the winner.
Thanks, Maria. Gala are delighted to be associated with an event which honours TV production at its highest level. There have been so many popular TV shows broadcast over the last year, but Maria can testify from her Rose of Tralee days there can only be one winner. And the IFTA for People's Choice TV Show of the Year goes to...
I get to do the honours. I'm running off the stage. And the IFTA goes to Red Rock.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. As you can see, there's a hell of a lot of us, an awful lot of us. Come on.
Sweet cheese, the whole cast. On a hoodie from starboard.
Thank you so much, IFTA. I want to thank TV3, who've been such brilliant supporters of this show from the very beginning. It was a huge risk, and we didn't have a lot of time to do it, but with their support and the support of the BAI, we managed to at least get on air and I think make a show that we can all be proud of. I'd like to obviously thank the most important ingredient in all of this, which is our amazing cast and crew, our writers, our directors, our producers. What a gang. Thank you all so much. Thank you.